Whispers in the breeze, secrets told by rustling leaves. Inner voice, gentle and profound, guides my steps to sacred ground. Intuition, my guiding light, shows the way, cuts through the night. I've been searching for something more, a light inside a hidden door. Through the pain, through the past, I'm finding my way home at last. No more shadows, no more chains. I release the hurt, I break the pain. Rising higher, heart open wide, I embrace the queen inside. An inner healing, outer glow, a royal presence, let it show. Inner forgiveness, it's for everyone. Set yourself free, let healing be done. Boundaries in place, you can still forgive. It's a gift to yourself, a new way to live. Inner forgiveness, heal your soul, free your heart, make it whole. I've been living in shadows, shrinking to please, giving away my strength like leaves to the breeze. But now I feel the fire deep within my core, a spark that says no more, no more. I'm taking back my voice, taking back my power, standing tall like a mountain, steady as a tower. I'm drawing my boundaries clear and strong, 'cause I'm worth every beat, every breath, every song.
E.S. is my middle name, always winning in this game, rising up to find my fame. Nothing ever stays the same. Walking down the street today, sunshine lighting up my way. Feeling good, I'm here to stay. Life is just a game we play. Friends are calling out my name. In this world we are the same. Dancing in this crazy frame, nothing ever feels like shame. E.S. is my middle name, always winning in this game, rising up to find my fame. Nothing ever stays the same. E.S. is my middle name, always winning in this game, rising up to find my fame. Nothing ever stays the same.
I look in the mirror, see a shining star, safe to be myself, I don't have to look far. Dance in the moonlight, let my colors show, no more hiding